What's up guys, Greg with PizzlesTechTime, back again with another video, and today we're going to be talking about Samsung again. I had a extremely aggravating ordeal with their customer service. Pre-ordered the Galaxy S22 Ultra on day one. I ended up ordering the 1TB version, everything that I wanted. I got a pretty good deal on some accessories, and then I got the confirmation email and my trade-in for my phone did not go through. So I had called Samsung and they said I would have had to cancel my order. They said on the phone they can't cancel the order. They can't reorder for me. They can add things to a cart and then send me a link. The Samsung website completely crashed. I could not order for almost a day. It was about 20 hours. I tried about every 15 minutes for that 20 hours that I was awake and not asleep. So basically I had the phone. I ended up losing it. I placed the order for the 500 gigabytes. I look on the webpage an hour later. The 1TB is available. March 18th, it said I would get it. So I canceled another order. I put a new order in for the 1TB version. And wouldn't you know it, everything worked out. Earlier in the week, I was checking on my pre-order to make sure it was coming in time. I've got accessories from Whitestone Dome that they sent me to review for the channel. So now I've got a schedule I've got to keep. I'm paying full price for the phone. I'm doing everything in my power to make sure I get this video out in time, guys. Now I have another company waiting on me, and I really don't like making people wait. I'm getting anxious about the pre-order. I check it, and it now says April 18th. It went up a month with no email, no contact from Samsung whatsoever, and they had told me on the phone that the phone would probably come earlier. That's just an estimated date, but it also goes the other way, guys. So I'm trying to get a phone call from Samsung. They say there is an hour wait. I put myself in queue, and I'm trying to text customer service to ask them what happened, where's the delay, when were you guys going to notify me that the product was not going to be in stock in time. I got disconnected from the chat 3 times. The web page just kept refreshing and then they were gone. The chat was no longer available. So finally I had gotten through the chat and I said I've had to cancel an order twice. I've just tried to contact you guys 3 times through the chat. I keep getting disconnected. I just want to know why my shipping date has changed. So the person says, what's your information? Give me 2 minutes. I give them my information. 2 minutes goes by, nothing. Another 2 minutes goes by. They say, I'm sorry, sir. I need another minute. I'm still looking in. I say, okay. About 5 minutes later, the next notification I got, hello, sir. We were able to cancel your order as you requested. I say, oh my God, what do you mean you canceled my order? I never asked you to. I'm so confused. I go to type. What do you know? The chat disconnects again. I'm still waiting on my callback. Emotional damage. I get an email confirmation that they canceled my order, even though they had told me previously Samsung cannot cancel orders for you. You need to do that yourself. I don't know why I would call to cancel. It seemed like the customer service associate, A, did not read my messages. B, they did not understand my messages. I get chat back on the line. I tell them I need to speak with someone right away. I ask them, I tell them I don't want my order canceled. They say there's nothing we can do. We'll schedule a call back with you. An hour and a half goes by. I never get a call back. So I call again to get another call back. And I finally get someone. And basically they're telling me on the phone the same thing chat did. My order is canceled. There's nothing I can do. I was going to lose $250 of promotions. The trade-in credit had went up and the promotion had expired. I really didn't want to hear all that stuff, guys. I was really frustrated. The person that I worked with did offer me the promotional credit as well as the increase in the trade-in for my phone, which was about $300 more. I wasn't able to get any of my accessories, but they have promised me with the ticket number and confirmation that I will be able to get this product discount. All I have to do is give them this ticket number. So I'm really hoping they hold to their word. I had to place the order again, and I'm not going to get the phone till way after March 18th, my original shipping date, and I lost out on getting all those accessories at the same time, guys. So ordering from Samsung has been a complete nightmare. nightmare. I really did not want to order from them, but the 1TB was only available through Samsung.com. The reason that I need the 1TB version is because Samsung got rid of the SD card slot. Really frustrated at this point. My old camera, my Samsung S20 camera, will never focus. I'm getting horrible videos, horrible pictures. They're doing a lot of things that I really don't agree with, guys, and this has really pushed me over the edge, guys. So I'm waiting to get this phone, and I'm hoping I get it in a timely manner and I can review the Whitestone Dome for the channel. And if you're not subscribed, definitely hit that red subscribe button, followed by the notification bell, so you'll be notified next time I drop a video, guys. What are your opinions about Samsung? Do you think they're moving in a good direction or a bad direction? I'm really not sure where I stand, but I'm going more in the negative position, and I really don't want to be there, as I do love Samsung as a company, guys. So let me know your thoughts, and let me know if you're going to be getting this new phone. I'm going to be making a bunch of videos about it. I'm super excited, guys, but I just wanted to let you know what a poor situation I had pre-ordering this phone and how stressed I am and ready to get it in my hands and test it out for the channel. My name's Greg with PizzlesTechTime. I do tech videos weekly in 4K. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and until next week, I'm out. Peace.